the delicious dishes. A young she-leopard, Tina, lived in the forest. Her brother also lived with her. Tina was an excellent cook and used to make new dishes every day. One day, Tina's brother saw that a young leopard was being attacked by an elephant. This young leopard was new to the territory and was trying to save himself from the furious elephant. Tina's brother saved his life and invited him home to dinner. Tina made a delicious dinner. She took great care that everything was perfect. When the young leopard tasted the delicious food, he asked, "Who made such wonderful food?" Tina came and greeted the young leopard. The young leopard fell in love with Tina and wanted to marry her. Soon they got married. Tina moved to the leopard's territory and realized that he was the king of his region. So Tina became the queen. Care and bravery. Once upon a time, an old gorilla lived in the jungle with his beautiful daughter. His daughter had grown up, so the gorilla was looking for a groom for his beautiful girl. One day, he announced, "Whoever finds the rarest thing on earth can marry her." All the young gorillas agreed and went to look for the rarest thing. After many days, 3 young gorillas came to meet the old gorilla. But before they could disclose what rarest thing they had brought, they were attacked by another group of gorillas. Among those 3 gorilla suitors, the first 2 gorillas began fighting. But the third one checked on the old gorilla and his daughter to see whether they were safe before starting the fight. Then he also joined the fight. When they won the fight, the old gorilla said, "The rarest thing are care and bravery. Only the third gorilla deserves to marry my daughter, as he has both of these rare things in his character. He is caring as well as brave." The Squirrel's Job. One fine morning, Sally the cow was grazing on the mountainside. She saw a little squirrel run past her very fast. Sally followed the squirrel and saw that it had rushed towards the red berry tree. Sally saw the squirrel take a bite from the red berry tree and toss it away. The squirrel kept picking up red berries and after tasting them, left them half-eaten. Finally, Sally said, "Little squirrel, why do you not eat a full red berry? Why are you wasting these red berries?" The little squirrel sat up and said, "I want to present the tastiest and the juiciest red berries to my mother. Without tasting, how would I know which red berry is the tastiest and the juiciest one? I will taste all the red berries, but there are so many that I cannot possibly check them all." Then the squirrel went back to her job. The 3 kittens. Once there were 3 kittens. All the 3 kittens were getting bored in their house, so they decided to meet at the riverside. The first kitten wanted to roll in the mud, the second kitten wanted to roll in some coal, and the third kitten wanted to chase birds. Finally, they decided to go for a walk. On their way, they saw a rabbit digging the earth. He wanted to make a burrow. The kittens asked the rabbit if they could help him make his burrow. The rabbit said, "Sure." The kittens were excited and they started helping the rabbit. While doing so, all the 3 kittens got covered with soil. When the making of the burrow was over, they went back home. When they reached home, their parents could not recognize them and so they were scolded. The kittens explained that they helped a rabbit make his burrow. After listening to their story, their parents became happy and praised them.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.